Hi girls and guys, this is Naomi and welcome to my first ever YouTube video. So to this date, we're still under enhanced community quarantine due to the coronavirus pandemic, and I feel like this is the best time for me to share with you the 8 benefits that I've got from having a micro-savings account that really helped me in surviving this pandemic. So if you want to learn how and what are those 8 benefits that you also can get, please keep on watching. Okay, so I'll start with telling you what Cebuana or micro-savings is to those who doesn't know or doesn't have an idea of what it is. So Cebuana Micro-Savings is one of the many products of Cebuana Lhuillier, a well-known pawn shop and remittance center here in the Philippines. So, alright, so let's get into it. The first benefit that you can get is that these micro-savings, Cebuana Micro-Savings, allows you to save as much as 50,000 pesos without maintaining balance. Unlike any other banks that requires you at least a minimum of 2,000 to 3,000 maintaining balance. Meaning to say, hindi ka mamroblema if ever hindi ka makapaghulog this month, next month, kasi wala namang madededuct sa'yo. And then, mas maganda to kasi pwede ka rin maghulog in any denomination or in any amount. It can be 20 pesos, 50 pesos, 100 pesos, and higher. So, really a good benefit. Then, let's move on to the second one. Okay? The second benefit is that it has an annual interest of 0.30% for every 500 pesos minimum deposit. So that means it is equivalent to 30 pesos for every 10,000 pesos savings. Alright? So, siguro iisipin natin, ang liit naman, 30 pesos lang every 10,000 pesos. But, kung iisipin natin, yung pinaka-bottom line lang naman or yung pinaka-reason natin kung bakit tayo naghuhulog is to save money for events like this, for to save as emergency fund, for starting a small business, or for future use. Okay, alright, so let's move on to the third benefit. Alright, so the third benefit would be if you have like this 24K card already, there's no need for you to pay 100 pesos. Kasi, kung starting ka pa lang o wala ka pang ganitong card, you have to pay 100 pesos. Pero, kapag meron ka na nito, good news. Kasi, 50 pesos na lang yung babayaran mo. 'Di ba? Plus, additionally, yung 50 pesos mo na yon is nasa card mo na talaga as balance. So, parang wala ka rin ginastos. And then, lifetime mo na itong magagamit. Hindi na siya magre-renew or hindi ka na magpapalit ng card every like 5 years, 'di ba? So, sobrang convenient talaga nito. Alright, so now, the fourth benefit that you can get from having this is that, like banks, it also allows you to send remittances, pay your bills, whatever it is, electric bills, water bills, and any other bills. You can also do e-loading. So, I highly recommend na if you want to start a business, an e-loading business, you can definitely use this one. Why? Kasi hindi sila nag-charge ng additional payment unlike in physical store wherein nag-charge sila ng at least 1 peso to 3 pesos para may kita sila. Pero dito, for example, nag-load ka ng 5 or 50 pesos, you only have to pay exactly 50 pesos. Walang labis, walang kulang. Yun yung mababawas sa account mo. Unlike, pupunta ka sa physical store, maglalakad ka pa, sayang yung oras mo. So, you can definitely try this one, okay? And that is, by the way, by using the eCebuana app. So you just simply need to download the app using your Android phone, go to Play Store and download the eCebuana app, sign in, and then you're good to go. Okay? Those are just super easy steps, okay? And then the fifth benefit that you can actually get from this is that you can use this when pawning jewelries or gadgets. Kasi when you do so, kapag nagsala ka, meron kang ma-accumulate na points which is convertible to load or as payment sa padala mo. Ibig sabihin, for example, nagsanla ako ng earrings worth 5,000 pesos. I can get points from 50 points to 75 points. So that is quite good, right? So magagamit mo talaga siya definitely. Parang walang nasasayang sa pera mo. Alright, so the sixth benefit that you can get from having this is that it is actually hassle-free to withdraw your money, especially during these times of crisis. Why? Because they have at least 2,500 outlets nationwide. So you can, you might, or one of their stores might be just near your house or your workplace. So it's pretty convenient and easy accessible. Plus, even if lockdown ngayon, their office hours still normal pa rin yung business hours nila, and then bukas pa rin sila Mondays to Fridays and even during weekends. So very good timing talaga. Unlike any other banks naman na minsan skeletal work sila, sarado yung ibang branch, or sobrang haba ng pila sa bangko. So this one is a must try talaga, guys. Okay, so let's move on to the seventh benefit that you can get from this. Okay. Alright, so the seventh benefit about this is my personal choice, because I prefer this saving method compared to saving with the use of piggy banks. Why? Kasi hindi ka matitempt na kunin yung pera because the money isn't around your house for you to just grab it, take it and buy anything that you want. So this is very practical kung gusto mo talagang mag-ipon at makaipon. So, pero don't get me wrong, guys. I still use the piggy bank, especially kapag nag-iipon ako ng pangregalo sa loved ones ko. Affordable na pangregalo sa mga loved ones ko during Christmas. So, ginagamit ko pa rin yung piggy banks, guys. Pero dito, mas prefer ko siya kung magsisave ako ng at least 20 to 40% ng aking salary. Okay? And then, last but not the least, baliktad yung pagkakahawa ko. Okay, so the last but not the least, the last benefit that you can get from this is that sobrang bilis niya lang talagang i-process, guys. What you need is only a valid ID, 50 to 100 pesos cash, and syempre, kailangan mo rin ng ballpen or, hindi na kailangan ng ballpen kasi meron na sila doon. So, yun lang talaga ang kailangan mo. Valid ID, 50 pesos to 100 pesos. Then, magsuot ka rin ng decent na damit kapag pupunta ka doon kasi kukuhanan ka rin nila ng picture for documentation. So, yeah. Those are the 8 benefits that you can also get from having Cebuana Micro-Savings card. And I hope nakatulong ako kahit papano na next time or perhaps after this lockdown, maisipan nyo rin mag-open ng account sa Cebuana. And just a disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. Gusto ko lang talaga siyang i-share sa inyo kung paano to nakatulong sa akin makasave ng money at magamit ko siya ngayong crisis. Kaya hindi kami ganun nahihirapan financially. And then, Guys, if you reached till the end of this video, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. If you like this one or this content, please consider subscribing to this channel so you can see all of my uploads as well. And then, or useful uploads by the way. And then, I want you to please take care, especially during these times of crisis. Stay home, stay safe, keep on smiling, keep on praying, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much guys, and bye now.